Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, which is Explore Yourselves, Banking and General Knowledge, etc. What color should you wear on 17th May 2025 to attract success, harmony, and positive vibes? In this special astrological episode, we reveal the lucky colors for all 12 zodiac signs that will help you align with cosmic energies and make the most of your day. Whether you are an energetic Aries or a dreamy Pisces, discover how the right color can enhance your aura and bring balance into your life. Aries, Mesh Rasi. For Aries Rasi on May 17, 2025, the lucky color to wear is red, as it aligns with today's astrological energies with Mars, Aries ruling planet in Cancer, emphasizing emotional drive, and Jupiter in Gemini, boosting communication. Red enhances your natural confidence and charisma, helping you stand out in social or professional interactions. The Capricorn moon on this Saturday, ruled by Saturn, supports ambition, and red complements this by fueling your leadership and grounding you amidst Saturn's introspective influence in your 12th house, ensuring you channel emotional intensity into productive action. Wear red in your outfit or accessories to harness its fiery energy and make the most of the day's opportunities. Taurus, Bris Rasi. For Taurus Rasi on May 17, 2025, the lucky color to wear is green, as it resonates with Taurus' earthy nature and the day's astrological influences. Venus, Taurus' ruling planet, is in Aries since April 30, 2025, sparking boldness in your social and financial pursuits, while the Capricorn moon on this Saturday, ruled by Saturn, aligns with your ninth house, favoring practicality, growth, and long term planning. Green symbolizing stability, prosperity, and harmony, enhances your natural groundedness, supports Jupiter in Gemini's communicative energy in your second house for financial discussions, and balances Saturn in Pisces' introspective pool in your 11th house, helping you attract positive opportunities in networking or travel related matters. Wear green in your clothing or accessories to amplify your sense of calm, confidence, and prosperity on this day. Gemini, Mithun Rasi. For Gemini Rasi on May 17, 2025, the lucky color to wear is yellow, as it aligns with the day's astrological energies and Gemini's vibrant nature. With Mercury, Gemini's ruling planet, in Taurus, enhancing practical communication, and Jupiter in Gemini until June 9, 2025, amplifying your first house of self-expression. Yellow boosts your intellectual clarity, optimism, and charisma, making it ideal for social interactions or personal projects. The Capricorn moon on this Saturday, ruled by Saturn, supports your 8th house of transformation, encouraging focus on shared resources or deep conversations. And yellow's bright energy helps balance Saturn in Pisces, introspective influence in your 10th house, keeping you motivated in career matters. Wear yellow in your outfit or accessories to harness its uplifting vibe and shine confidently on this day. Cancer, Karkot Rasi. For Cancer Rasi on May 17, 2025, the lucky color to wear is white, as it harmonizes with the day's astrological influences and Cancer's nurturing essence. The Moon, Cancer's ruling planet, is in Capricorn on this Saturday, activating your 7th house of partnerships and bringing a practical relationship focused energy, while Mars in Cancer since April 23, 2025 in your first house heightens your emotional assertiveness and personal drive. White symbolizes purity, calmness, and emotional clarity, helping you balance Mars's intensity with a soothing presence. Enhance Jupiter in Gemini's communicative boost in your 12th house for introspection and align with Saturn's in Pisces supportive trine from your 9th house, fostering wisdom in decisions related to travel or learning. Wear white in your clothing or accessories to radiate peace and attract positive relational energy on this day. Leo, Singo Rasi. For Leo Rasi on May 17, 2025, the lucky color to wear is gold, as it aligns with Leo's regal nature and the day's astrological dynamics. The Sun, Leo's ruling planet, is in Taurus, highlighting your 10th house of career and public image, while Jupiter in Gemini until June 9, 2025 in your 11th house boosts networking and aspirations, and the Capricorn moon on this Saturday ruled by Saturn activates your 6th house, emphasizing work and health with disciplined focus. Gold enhances your natural charisma, reflects the sun's radiant energy to shine in professional settings, complements Jupiter's expansive social influence for making connections, and balance Saturn in Pisces' introspective pull in your 8th house, helping you manage stress or share resources with confidence. Wear gold in your outfit or accessories to amplify your leadership aura and attract success on this day. Virgo, Karna Rasi. For Virgo Rasi on May 17, 2025, the lucky color to wear is emerald green, as it resonates with Virgo's analytical and earthy nature while aligning with the day's astrological influences. Mercury, Virgo's ruling planet, is in Taurus, enhancing your ninth house of higher learning and travel with practical communication. While Jupiter in Gemini until June 9, 2025 in your 10th house boosts career opportunities, and the Capricorn moon on this Saturday ruled by Saturn activates your fifth house, encouraging creativity and disciplined self-expression. Emerald green symbolizes growth, clarity, and balance, supporting Mercury's intellectual focus for studies or travel plans, amplifying Jupiter's professional expansion to make a strong impression, and harmonizing with Saturn and Pisces introspective energy in your seventh house to foster stable partnerships. Wear emerald green in your clothing or accessories to enhance your focus and attract positive opportunities on this day. Libra, Tula Rasi. For Libra Rasi on May 17, 2025, the lucky color to wear is pink. It complements Libra's harmonious nature and aligns with the day's astrological energies. Venus, Libra's ruling planet, is in Aries since April 30, 2025, activating your seventh house of relationships with a bold and passionate energy, while Jupiter in Gemini until June 9, 2025 in your ninth house enhances learning and exploration. The Capricorn moon on this Saturday, ruled by Saturn, influences your fourth house, focusing on home and emotional stability with a practical approach. Pink symbolizes love, balance, and serenity, helping you channel Venus' fiery energy into nurturing partnerships, supporting Jupiter's expansive vibe for meaningful conversations or travel plans, and balancing Saturn in Pisces' introspective pull in your sixth house to manage work or health stress calmly. Wear pink in your outfit or accessories to radiate charm and foster harmony on this day. Scorpio, Vristik Rasi. For Scorpio Rasi on May 17, 2025, the lucky color to wear is maroon as it aligns with Scorpio's intense nature and the day's astrological influences. Mars, Scorpio's traditional ruling planet, is in Cancer since April 23, 2025, activating your ninth house of higher learning and travel with emotional depth, while Jupiter in Gemini until June 9, 2025 in your 8th house fosters transformation and shared resources. And the Capricorn moon on this Saturday, ruled by Saturn, influences your third house, emphasizing practical communication and local connections. Maroon, a deep shade of red, reflects Scorpio's passion and Mars' fear energy, helping you channel emotional insights into meaningful conversations or travel plans. Supports Jupiter's transformative vibe for financial or intimate breakthroughs, and balances Saturn and Pisces' introspective energy in your fifth house to enhance creativity and romance with a grounded approach. Wear maroon in your outfit or accessories to amplify your magnetic presence and attract positive opportunities on this day. Sagittarius, Dhanu Rasi. For Sagittarius Rasi on May 17, 2025, the lucky color to wear is purple. It resonates with Sagittarius' adventurous and philosophical nature while aligning with the day's astrological energies. Jupiter, Sagittarius' ruling planet, is in Gemini until June 9, 2025, activating your seventh house of partnerships and enhancing communication in relationships. While the Capricorn moon on this Saturday, ruled by Saturn, influences your second house, focusing on finances and self-worth with a practical mindset. And Mars in Cancer in your eighth house since April 23, 2025, adds emotional intensity to shared resources or transformations. Purple symbolizes wisdom, spirituality, and abundance, helping you harness Jupiter's expansive energy for meaningful connections. Supporting the Capricorn moon's grounded approach to influence financial decisions and balancing Saturn in Pisces' introspective pull in your fourth house to maintain emotional harmony at home. Wear purple in your outfit or accessories to boost your optimism and attract positive relational and financial opportunities on this day. Capricorn, Makar Rasi. For Capricorn Rasi on May 17, 2025, the lucky color to wear is navy blue, as it aligns with Capricorn's disciplined and ambitious nature while complementing the day's astrological influences. Saturn, Capricorn's ruling planet, is in Pisces in your third house, encouraging introspective communication and learning, while the moon in Capricorn on this Saturday enhances your first house, amplifying your focus on personal goals and self-expression. Jupiter in Gemini until June 9, 2025 in your sixth house supports growth in work and health routines. Navy blue symbolizes stability, authority, and depth, helping you harness the moon's grounding energy to project confidence, supporting Jupiter's expansive influence for productivity in daily tasks, and balancing Mars in Cancer's emotional intensity in your seventh house since April 23, 2025. Maintain harmony in partnerships. Wear navy blue in your outfit or accessories to enhance your natural determination and attract success on this day. Aquarius, Kumbh Rasi. For Aquarius Rasi on May 17, 2025, the lucky color to wear is electric blue, as it resonates with Aquarius' innovative and visionary nature while aligning with the day's astrological energies. Saturn Aquarius' traditional ruler is in Pisces in your second house, focusing on financial introspection, while Uranus, the modern ruler in Taurus, retrograde until May 22, 2025, steers your fourth house, sparking unconventional ideas around home and family. The Capricorn moon on this Saturday in your 12th house encourages grounding through solitude, and Jupiter in Gemini until June 9, 2025 in your 5th house boosts creativity and romance. Electric blue reflects Aquarius' electric energy, enhancing your unique perspective, supporting Jupiter's playful vibe for creative or romantic endeavors, and balancing the Capricorn moon's introspective pull with a vibrant, forward-thinking aura, while harmonizing with Mars in Cancer's emotional depth in your sixth house since April 23, 2025 to manage work stress. Wear electric blue in your outfit or accessories to amplify your originality and attract positive opportunities on this day. Pisces, Mean Rasi. For Pisces Rasi on May 17, 2025, the lucky color to wear is sea green, as it aligns with Pisces' intuitive and dreamy nature while complementing the day's astrological influences. Jupiter, Pisces' traditional ruler, is in Gemini until June 9, 2025, activating your fourth house of home and family with communicative energy, while Neptune, the modern ruler in Aries, enhances your second house of finances with creative inspiration. Saturn in Pisces in your first house since March 29, 2025 encourages self-discipline, and the Capricorn moon on this Saturday in your 11th house fosters practical networking. Sea green symbolizes emotional depth, healing, and tranquility, helping you balance Saturn's grounding influence with your natural sensitivity, supporting Jupiter's focus on family harmony through nurturing conversations and enhancing the Capricorn moon's social energy to make meaningful connections, all while complementing Mars in Cancer's emotional drive in your fifth house since April 23, 2025 for creativity and romance. Wear sea green in your outfit or accessories to radiate calm, confidence, and attract positive vibes on this day. Thank you very much for your patience. Request like, share, and subscribe.